Hey, Jux here with a related box. I've actually had this in my house for almost a week, but I've been sick, like shit still am, chucking down penicillin. I guess my body can't take multiple festivals and concerts in short time anymore. But anywho, also I also figured out that I haven't uploaded the last two videos, so they're gonna be uploaded after this one, the horror blog and the comic blog. But in the meantime, I gotten this awesome Terminator mask with the light of eyes. Frightrags.com sold them for $20, excluding shipping, and of course it got caught in customs, and I had to pay tax on $6 of the amount of the items, which were about $5. But then the postal service in Denmark demand a fee for calculating those $5, which is about $25. So the mask and the t-shirt, which I bought for $20, ended up costing me $60 in all. But hey, it's a cool mask. Oh well. On to the Nerd Block Classic for July, month of July. And let's start it off easy with a t-shirt. Let's see what we can do. What is this? What is this? Cobra Commander. I guess this would be G.I. Joe, right? Again, I'm not all too familiar with 80s cartoons, but I think it's G.I. Joe. And some Ghostbusters. Money containment units. Oh well. Let's see. Oh, it's another one of those paper wallets, which I'm told is pretty strong actually. Yeah, well, room for your cards and your bills, but not your coins. I think that's a throw-in item, and there's a big item in here. I think it's a Funko. Nope, it's a Titan, of course. And it's a Buffy Titan Spike. Meh. I guess it's a nice Titan while, but I didn't follow Buffy. Love the movie with the hottie Christy Swanson, which later went on to do a nude spread for Playboy, I think. Oh, he's drinking coffee too. Oh, I guess it's blood, but just like Better Call Saul figure. Oh, and the arms can't go up. That's just stupid, right? Oh, you have to break him to use him. I guess. Well, how the hell and fuck? I guess this. What else? Better be something else. The Transformer Dangler. And here it is. Is this? I guess this is Optimus Prime. I can't. Yeah. No, it's Optimus Prime. Well, I guess I got the cool one. I don't know what else to get, which would be cool. So yeah. What else? A magazine, a comic, Mad Max Fury Road. Cool. So they made a comic. Let's take a look. Awesome movie, by the way. Loved it. I guess it's just following the it's a recap with Tina Turner and Mel Gibson. But yeah, I guess it's just the movie. Or what? No, it's not. It's not. Okay. Well, gonna read that. Of course, I think that was. Oh, nope. There's a little iron dude in here. Excuse me. Probably go nice with my Hulk Buster. It's a keychain with some plastic. It's a bobblehead keychain with Iron Man. Yeah, okay. He's pretty nifty. So, let's see. I guess the retro t-shirt with Cobra Commander is pretty cool. The Dangler is okay. The Iron Man is okay. The comic is okay. Meh. Meh. Again, a great item. I just have no affection for it. So, all in all, not a great nerd block, but hey, there's bound to be some bad ones, right? Well, that's all for now. What's the next? I think the next is gonna be, because I've cut back a lot. Don't have Loot Crate anymore. I guess the next is gonna be Horror Block and Comic Block. Until then, see ya.